Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a summer glow routine. I've been seeing this all over my feed here on YouTube, so I want to share my version with you guys. Quick, easy steps. You guys, I'm finally recording makeup tutorials. I'm really excited. I've been so busy with Zara's birthday and just fashion stuff that I just haven't taken a lot of time to film, and I'm back to film more videos for you guys, and I'm really excited. So we're gonna try to get through this routine because my children are here. It is summertime and they are in the other room, so they're gonna be acting crazy, but I'm gonna try my best to get out this content for you guys. So let us pray that they act right. Okay, so first and foremost, my brows are done using the Profusion Brow Kit, the number 2 one. I just did them regular. I did not use the little brow wax in there because it is summer, and the more oils I put on my face, the oilier my face tends to get in the summer. So I didn't use the brow wax. I just used the powders and the pencils, and it still came out pretty bomb. So your girl brows are laid. So of course I'm going to start with eyes first because that is my routine. Usually with these type of videos, faces first, but I have to do my eyes first because I have to do my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take the Sephora, and this is the Perfecting and Smoothing Eye Primer from Sephora. I've been having this for a little while. I need to go to Sephora. I haven't been to Sephora in a while. This is a really good primer, and it's inexpensive, and I just like how it makes my eyeshadows lay and blend. So for eyeshadows, I am going to use the It's My Rare palette from BH Cosmetics. This is her second one, and right now if you buy it, you get the free lip gloss. I did do a review on this palette. I will leave a info up top for you guys to check out. I like this palette because it has a lot of summer colors, and it's super simple to use, and we want a simple look because this is a glowy summer look. I want to show you guys more on the face than the eyes. So I'm going to take this color Brick right here, and we're going to apply that into our crease area. I'm just going to pack that into the crease to start off with, and then we're going to use another shade to blend that on out. I'm going to take Canary. It's like a yellow canary. I'm going to take Canary, and I'm going to blend out the edges a little bit of this shade. I just been spectating this drama because y'all know so I'm just blending out those edges really nicely. I'm gonna go back into Brick just to kind of define the color a bit more, and then put that at the bottom lid as well, just on the outer edge here. Then I'm gonna go in with Flare. It's a darker red shade just to kind of add a bit more color to that brick color, just to kind of deepen that crease. And I'm still using the same Profusion brush. Just gonna take a clean fluffy brush and just kind of brush out these edges. Now for my lid, I'm just gonna put some concealer because I really want the color to pop a little bit more. So hold off on that. I'm gonna use this highlighter, ColourPop, highly wasted. Ooh, it's still soft. Going with Top Notch on top of this color. Forgot what to do. I'm going back into Flare to kind of blend out these edges a little bit. Zoe and Zara has joined the party, guys. I'm gonna go into Golden Girl with my finger and just go on top. Oh my god, just on top of that Top Notch color to kind of add more of a golden tone to this look. Okay, alrighty, had to take a short pause. So the eyes are pretty much done. Let's go ahead and get some mascara on, and then get some lashes on because of course we have to wear lashes. I haven't worn lashes in so long. So I'm just going to use this Maybelline Colossal Lash Mascara, and then I'm just going to plop some wispy lashes on because you guys know I am not the biggest fan of lashes. Okay, so tragically my lashes are on. They're not the best because I'm holding Zara, but let's just go ahead and just finish this. I'm going to be showing you guys how I use the Range Beauty, their foundation, their highlighter, and their body glow to achieve a summer glowy look. I do have their primer, but I think mine I need to get a new one because it's separated really bad, and I've been having it for a while. So I'm not going to use the primer, but I have to order a new primer because I think I just had it for a little too long. But they do have a primer, and this is the old container, so I'm not going to be using this. But instead, one of my favorite primers is the Becca First Light Priming Filter with Instant Complexion Refresh. I love this primer, so I'm going to use this primer instead of the Range Beauty primer, which I do love. It's just I think mine is old. So if you guys haven't seen my review on Range Beauty, they used to be called Skinny Dip. They changed their name recently to Range Beauty. I will leave that also up top for you guys to check out. You can see it gives you a nice radiant glow, but we're not done yet. To get this summer glowy look, I like to take the Range Beauty, and this is like the body, I can't remember exactly the name of it. I will leave it in the video, but it's like a body glow cream. You can use it for your face, so that's what I've been doing, and I've been putting it places like where my highlight will be, and I would do like a little, so this is going to go underneath the foundation. You may think, Jackie, that's too much, but I promise you it's not. It'll be fine. So I'm just going to pat it using my hands. You can use a brush. I've just been using my hands. It's effective either way. If you feel like it's too much, don't apply this much. I'll literally use like a dab. So I'm just going to take a brush so you guys can see and just kind of brush it into the skin or onto the face. I'm just brushing it out all over where I would normally apply like highlight, and I obviously wouldn't do my full forehead, but because I did a little too much on my forehead, this is what happened. So you should be kind of like a penny at this point. But we'll get to the body in a few minutes. So this is what you're working with, okay? Glow on top of glow. Now I'm going to take their foundation, and I am the color Sahara Rose, and I'm going to take about, I think like 2 to 3 pumps. Mine comes out in little pieces, so I want to estimate 2 to 3 pumps. And I'm going to take a foundation brush, and I'm just going to basically, and then we're going to blend it out. So take my foundation brush, my buffing brush, and just blend it out. So as you can see, it does give you some coverage, but your highlight underneath still kind of shows through and gives you like a nice natural glow. You're perfectly welcome to stop here after your foundation and don't add any more shimmer. But we not. So I'm just going to keep going, and if you're like a sponge person, it should still work with the sponge. I'm not. I'm a brush person, and I'm just blending a little bit tougher on the forehead because I'm trying to kind of remove a little bit because I did apply a little too much on the forehead area. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the color Deep, and I'm only going to use a little bit because I don't want to cover all of my shimmer underneath. So I'm just going to really just take a little, and girl, you need to buy a new one. So I'm just taking that under the eye, and then that's about it. I'm not going to do the whole nose and chin thing because I don't want to, and I just want to keep this light and fresh, and I'm just going to blend this out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and set that with my Laura Mercier powder. And I like this powder because it sets really, really nicely. And I'm just going to use the powder proof that it comes with. And I'm just setting like under my eyes. I put the concealer. And I'm also going to set around my mouth. Really trying to get in there. Contour bronzing. I'm going to take my Becca like bronzer to bronze really quick. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. Now you guys can see, some of the shimmer coming through, honey. This type of look, my favorite blush for like a bronzy, glowy look is the Amber Ring Rose blush. And that's because it has a nice little kind of orangey glow to it. For the highlight, which is one of my favorite parts, I'm going to take their highlight, and this is a gold, literally like a pure gold highlight. Now you want to be careful because we want to glow, but we don't want to overdo this highlight portion of this video. So I'm gonna take just whatever's on the lid here. It's just like a little bit here, and then we're just gonna tap that. So we're just adding to whatever's underneath our foundation. We're not like overdoing it. We don't want to overkill. So once I run out what's on the lid, I just tap back into the container and then tap onto the lid and then kind of get rid of the excess highlight. So you can see that it is literally giving you the glow of the century. Okay, now if you didn't do any eyeshadow and you just kept your eyelid just plain and natural, maybe some lashes, this will still give you a nice summer glow. Now I don't have the most appropriate shirt on, but I'm going to show you guys if you put this on your body. Look at that. Oh my god, isn't that gorgeous? And I'm getting it all over my shirt. So I'm bare, but I have my bra on, and you guys can see what is happening on my chest area, neck area here. And I mean, it really does like bronze up the skin. Like, this is like, if you're one of those girls who are fair, you're still color but you're still fair, and you want some nice summer glow, you're going to the beach, this is it. Then you can take some of that same gold highlighter and just apply it to places like here, and it gives you that summer glow. And I'm going to take that same big brush that we used before to kind of blend out. Oh yeah, girl, this is cute. Now if I had a off the shoulder top, this would be so pretty. I mean, it's so pretty. How much of this are you guys getting? I hope all of it. And just come in, go in with this brush and really just bronze you up, girl. So now I'm going to go ahead and set my face, because of course makes everything better. I'm going to take a brown pencil to line my lips, and I'm just going to place this all over the lips to kind of mute out my unevenness. It's more of a like ashy brown, but it's a neutral brown. Then I'm gonna go on top with the Profusion Sparkling Lip Topper Imagine. That'll do it. If you're not a fan of sparkle, then this is not for you. And then, okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys the completed look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Zara's back. And I still don't have on the top, but I want to show you guys this beautiful like summer glow. I am loving it, especially with this new hair color I got going on. It's very summer, it's very glowy, and I love how it makes my skin look. You can see the highlight is nice and soft, but we also have the under highlight, which is coming through. We'll leave a link down below for Range Beauty for you guys to check out all three products in Zara, and so you can get your glow on this summer, honey. Yes. You like it, Zara? Let me know how you guys feel about this summer glow routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye guys.